Hello students, welcome back to Sociology Simplified with Aparna. In today's class, we will be understanding how sociology is connected with and different from other social sciences. This comparison is important because no society can be studied in isolation. This comparison helps understand society holistically. Let us begin by comparing sociology and anthropology. Sociology and anthropology are very close to each other. Both study human society, culture, and social relationships. However, anthropology traditionally focused on simple tribal and small societies, while sociology studies complex modern societies. Anthropologists depend more on participant observation, and sociologists use survey, interviews, and statistical tools. For example, an anthropologist may study rituals of a tribal community, while a sociologist might study changing festival patterns in urban families. The next, we look at the comparison between sociology and psychology. Psychology studies the human mind, personality, and individual behavior. Sociology studies group behavior and how society shapes people. However, both deal with human behavior and environment. Psychology studies why one individual behaves in a certain way. Sociology explains why social groups behave in a particular pattern. Social psychology forms a bridge between these two disciplines. The next, we look at the comparison between sociology and economics. Economics focuses on production, distribution, markets, and money. Sociology studies how economic factors affect society, such as class inequality, labor relations, and lifestyles. While economics is concerned with rational choices, sociology looks at social norms behind those choices. For example, an economist studies inflation. A sociologist studies how inflation affects poor families and creates social tensions. We now compare sociology with political science. Political science studies the state, government, and political institutions. Sociology studies political behavior within the society, like voting, public opinion, and caste and gender effects. Political science looks at institutions. Sociology looks at society's influences in those institutions. For example, political science studies election, sociology studies voting behavior. To end with, let us now compare sociology and history. History deals with past events, timeless, and evolution of civilizations. Sociology studies present social patterns but also uses history to understand social change. History tells us what happened, but sociology helps us understand why certain societies, certain social structures continue to change. So, sociology has a strong connection with anthropology, psychology, economics, political science, and history. Together, they provide a multidimensional view of society. Sociology stands out because it brings all these perspectives together. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more sociology classes.